Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to get this carb put back together and see if we can get it slapped on that KX. Today's video was originally going to be about me riding my B King, but I just didn't think there was enough content there, so here I am putting the carb on this KX before I fly out in the morning. This is my 2008 Suzuki GSX 1300. This is the GSX 1300 BK, the B King. Essentially, it's a stripped down Street Fighter Busa. It's 1340 cc's, and it's honestly the fastest thing that I have ever been on. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. All right, the jet came in a lot quicker than I expected, but this is what we got. So let me get this carb put back together. All right, well, I got the carb back on there, and I was hoping to get it started up today. I also just put a fresh plug in it, but first I have to replace this clutch bracket. I have one off of another bike. I could pull off the CR125 because the handles that we bought won't fit this bracket. So I'm just going to rob it off the other bike. All right, we're going to go with plan B because the clutch bracket that I just pulled off is way too small to fit around these bars. So plan B is to grind a little bit down on this clutch handle, and so it will fit in the older bracket. All right, I got the clutch on there. I had to take all of the things that I had and build a single clutch lever out of multiple clutch levers, but I think we ended up getting it. And now I'm gonna pop that fuel tank on there and see if we can get this thing kicked over. All right, I'm very happy with how that turned out. It took quite a few kicks, but you know, that I guess that is what it is. It definitely is a lot louder than I expected it to be. But now it's just pretty much drivetrain. I haven't gotten the axle yet. It's at my old man's house. He just got it in. Get everything bolted down, get all the plastics on, and hopefully it'll be pretty much ready to go. But it's running.